Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Good morning class 10th. Welcome back in mathematics class. Today a new session revision of circle. In previous video we discussed about the questions, some question. Now further question of chapter circle. Book is R.D. Sharma, page number 8.10, example 5. What is the question? That is the question is XP and XQ are the tangent from X to the circle with center O. This is the circle. This is center O. This is the point X. This is the two tangent XP and XQ. R is the point on that circle. R point है जो circle पर है. ठीक है, prove that AB in this figure. This is the A, R, and this one is S, B. Now how do we prove? To prove XA plus AR is equal to XB plus BR. This is our proof. Now what is how to prove? Come on to prove. Yes, my dear. At point X, we know that XP is equal to XQ. Why? Tangent drawn from external points are equal. हमने पढ़ा है tangent drawn from external points are equal. Now come on the point A. What is the point A? XR is equal to XP. And point B. Again PR is equal to PQ. Why? PR is equal to PQ. Same reason, tangent drawn from external points are equal. That is the reason tangent drawn from external points are equal. Now my equation first. XP is equal to XQ. How to write XP is equal to XQ? That is XA plus XP लिख सकता हूँ. XA plus PA. इसे तोड़कर ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ. Now XQ XB plus BQ. Is it clear? But XA as it is लीजिए by XPA. XPA at point PA. This is wrong. This is A. AP is equal to AR. AP is equal to AR. Now we proved that A is equal to AR. यहाँ P A की जगह AR लिखूँगा. Now XB as it is and BQ equal to BR लिख सकता हूँ मैं. ठीक है. This is our proof. यही हमारा proof. This is clear my dear. ठीक है. Now come on the next question. All are question of books and this is the R.D. Sharma. Now example 8, page number 8.11. जो ये रिवीजन और एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन करा रहा हूँ मैं R.D. शर्मा से करा रहा हूँ. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ कम ऑन द क्वेश्चन नंबर एग्जांपल 8 पेज 8.11. Yes, two circles touch each other at a point C. This is two circles of different center. It is touch at point C. This is the point C, and center of this circle is A and this circle is B. Prove that the common tangent to the circle at C. This is the common tangent. Bisect the common tangent at P and Q. This is bisect common tangent P Q. ये भी common tangent है और वो भी common tangent है. मुझे प्रूव करना है, इसे bisect करते हैं. ठीक है. We prove that PR equal to RQ. To prove PR equal to PQ. Come on the proof. Come on the point at R. For A center. A center के सर्कल के लिए आओ. That is PR is equal to RC. Tangent drawn from external points are equal. Again. Now again at point R. For B center circle. That is RC is equal to RQ. This is the second. Now come on point first and by equation first and second. बेटे दोनों RC के इक्वल है, that is it clear, my dear? Now I hope you understand this question. Now next question of this, there is question number, yes. Yes, page number, example 33, page number 8.26. This is the long question. Yes, what is the question? Example 33 at page number 8.26. Now what is the circle? A circle is described in a triangle ABC. This is the triangle ABC. इसके अंदर एक सर्कल है, this one, having the sides 8 cm, 10 cm. This is the side 8 cm, 10 cm and 12 cm. All are sides of triangles. Show that find AD. मुझे AD find करना है. This one is AD, DEF. We find out BE, AD and CF. Come on the solution. But when I like AD is equal to X, BD is equal to Y and CF is equal to Z. This one is X, this one is Y and this one is Z. Now come on the point A. AD equal to AF, why? Point B, B equal to BC, B, and again point C, C equal to CF. Same reason that can draw from external points are equal. So ये x का कोई सारे x का होगा, ये y का कोई सारे y का होगा. This one is Z. Now x plus y, that is 8. This is our first equation. Y, this y and this is Z. Y plus Z is 10 and third Z plus this is x. ये x के इक्वल हो गया था, is equal to 12. This is our third equation. Is it clear? बेटा मैं कर रहा हूँ इधर से. Yes, +8. इन सबको प्लस कर दीजिए. फर्स्ट प्लस सेकंड प्लस थर्ड, दैट इज डबल ऑफ x. दो बार x आ रहा है, दो बार y है, दो बार z, 2y plus 2z is equal to 18, 12, 30. Now 2 is common. x plus y plus z is equal to 30. 2 15 here. So x plus y plus z is equal to 15. This is our a result. Now by अगर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन से x plus y की वैल्यू यहाँ रख दूँ, दैट इज 8, तो किसकी वैल्यू आएगी? z की आएगी. बाय इक्वेशन फर्स्ट 8 plus z is equal to 15. प्लस का हो जाएगा, दैट इज माइनस 15 minus 8, दैट इज 7. So z is 7 cm. इज इट क्लियर? z किसे माना था हमने? CF को. तो CF is 7 cm. नाउ अगर मैं y plus z को की वैल्यू ले लूं यही इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में, बाय इक्वेशन 2, तो किसकी वैल्यू आएगी? x की, दैट इज 10 इज इक्वल टू 15. ये प्लस का हो जाएगा, माइनस का, दैट इज 5. और x किसको ऐड किया था हमने? AD को. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ AD इज 7 cm. दिस इज आवर सेकंड. नाउ थर्ड, नाउ नेक्स्ट, इसी में चल रहा हूं बेटा, मैं यहां कर रहा हूं इसी में. नाउ वैल्यू ऑफ z और x की पुट करें, दैट इज 12. तो किसकी वैल्यू निकल आएगी? दैट इज y. प्लस का हो जाएगा, माइनस का होगा, दैट इज 3. और y हमने किसके लिए ऐड किया था? BD और BE. सो BE इज इक्वल टू 3 cm. दिस इज आवर रिजल्ट. इज इट क्लियर? ठीक है बेटा. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस ऑल द क्वेश्चन. In next session, we discuss the further question of this R.D. Sharma. Till then, thank you very much.